Now that you've got the magic physics bone, want to learn how to do this yourself? That's the spirit. Let's get started. Now that you have the magic physics bone, locate your magic physics bone folder inside the Wingman Draws folder. Magic physics bone. Drag the prefab onto your scene, then onto your avatar's chest bone. Align the prefab with your breastbone. For breast results, do not rotate the bone. Locate your breast fizz bones and or their roots and add a VRC position constraint to each. Add the magic fizz bone target to their sources. Click Activate. Congratulations! You're done! Your avatar now has the new Magic Fizz Bone technology. You may need to edit the Magic Physics Bone properties to achieve the best results for your model. Please refer to the readme file for how to achieve this. Anyways, download now and we'll also throw in the Magic Physics Bone Balloons package, pre-installed with the Magic Physics Bone. Normally a $0 and 0 cent value, yours free! To install, simply locate your Magic Physics Bone folder inside of the Wingman Draws folder. Find the prefab called Magic Physics Bone Balloons. Drag the prefab onto your scene, then onto the avatar. Right-click the prefab and unpack. Drag the MPB Balloons target to your chest bone. Position and scale to size. You can also adjust the straps inside the armature to better fit your avatar. Give it a try! Use the AV3 Manager to merge the provided effects layer to your avatar's existing effects. Don't forget those parameters. Remember to check your right default in the WD tab as well. Once you have that set, just simply create a submenu on your avatar and plug in the provided balloons menu from the folder. Congratulations! You're done! Your avatar now has the new Magic Fizz Bone Balloon technology. Get your Magic Physics Bone today!